So this is my Lush box that came in. So I'm Jen White Posh. Hello. Welcome to my YouTube, and I hope you're having a fantastic, wonderful day. So my Lush order arrived today, and we are going to see what Lush products I indulged and decided to pamper myself with. If I can get this box to open. And there goes Flinzilla yelling about fire trucks. So I am super so over the moon excited about this Lush box. Bum ba bum. So Lush is like one of my favorite absolute indulgences. Very rarely do I totally indulge, but sometimes you get it because that's what it's all about, right? Taking care of you. Otherwise you can't help take care of others. So as you can tell, Lush has some of the most cutest packaging. It's got little fruits and veggies on the side. It also, recycling your Lush package, talks about the black plastic pots. Everything is natural, cruelty-free. They are so amazing with the planet. That's part of why I enjoy them so much, because everything is so natural and just incredible. You don't have to worry about anything you're putting on your body, just like my Posh products and things like that. I truly love not worrying about what's going on my skin or my children's skin. So these are little fun packing peanuts. I'm gonna set these off to the side. Dun, dun, dun. So exciting. So exciting. Alright, so here we've got one of the awesome, this one is Sunnyside, and the ingredients in this one are really awesome. Just incredible. It's a citrus, wild orange oil, tangerine. I really can't. Can you see the shimmer on that bar? It's absolutely beautiful. Hey, it matches my nails, which need to be done like super bad. So that's in there. Let's see. Oh, what would a Lush package be without some fun? So this is fun. This is the rainbow fun. Now this one is super fabulous. As you can see, the really cool logo there. Fighting animal testing. I don't know if that came in clear enough. But so fun. This is cherry lime oil. Mingles with calming vanilla and chamomile for a purely blissful perfume. Now this is awesome. You can use this for so many things in your tub. I like to use it for bubble fun, to add some bubbles to my bathtub, because I super am a bath addict. So we've got some fun in there. Let's see. I know there's more. Oh, who doesn't love a little yellow submarine? We all live in a yellow submarine. Okay, this is why I do Posh and hang out with my kids and don't sing. I love to sing, just not very good at it at all. So it's kind of like bowling. I love to bowl, but I'm horrible at it. My husband thinks it's funny. So anyways, this is Yellow Submarine. This is awesome. I'm super stoked. This is actually a bath bomb. Usually I don't treat myself to bath bombs because I do use Perfectly Posh bath bombs, the fizzies, a lot. My kids use them basically every night. But I did have to get the Beatles themed Yellow Submarine. I just thought it was super neat. So then here we have, this is the Milky Bath Bar. And this bar is, I believe it's a honey bar. And it's a very good bar for calming. Now this is a bubble bar. Just like this one is a bubble bar. These will make bubbles, and it's super fabulous. So this one looks like a little milk. It's really cute. A little quart of milk. So, let's see. Anything else in here? Alright, then we also have this one. So, this is Sweet Thing. And I am super excited to open Sweet Thing. So, Sweet Thing inside of it is a creamy bubble bar. There's a creamy bubble bar in there. And then there is also the Comfort Bubble Bar. So I don't know if you guys can see those. My kid's going crazy. He sees the boxes of peanuts and Lush, and he's so... It's not bath time yet. Lush, do you see Lush? Lush, are you a Lushy? Yeah, and you're a posh head? You're a spoiled child? Yes, my boys are spoiled. They indulge in Perfectly Posh and Lush. So, yes, inside of this box, which I'm not going to open on this video, is those two bubble bars, and they're super awesome. I'm really excited to get on those. One's a creamy vanilla and the other is a black currant. So it comes like this, all ready to wrapped and ready to go. I treated myself to a little present, so I think it's super cute, and I'm gonna wait to open it. But yes, so that is my little Lush haul that I pampered myself to and treated myself to, which I'm super excited I did. And of course you get a little thing with your, this is your order slip, and it tells you a little bit more about Lush. So I'm super excited about all of those products, and I cannot wait to test them out, and maybe I'll put up a couple videos or something of the bubble bars. We'll see what happens. So everybody have a fabulous day, and if I can help you with any of your pampering needs, if you have any questions about Perfectly Posh, I'm Jen White Posh. You can email me, find me on Instagram or Facebook. Have a fabulous, wonderful day, guys.